Imagine you went to your favorite concert where you are about to meet Neha Kakkar or Zakir Khan, and you are in a super excited mood, all in the woohoo energy, and you got to know that they didn't show up. All your money got wasted, right? Imagine you are attending an online workshop related to entrepreneurship, AI, Web3, cybersecurity. You were totally impressed by the instructor or totally sold by the deliverables.
Yeah, boy.
And after attending the event, you got to know that in the 20 minutes, it was all bullshit. All your money got wasted, right? Well, no more. We are here to save you. Hey guys, my name is Nitin Joshi and I'm here to represent FluidPass. FluidPass is a thought that turned into a company by four Web3 developers. FluidPass is an innovative startup in event payment system that leverages Superfluid protocol that enables real-time streaming of money based on the user or time spent on attending or enjoying the event. As we all know, talk is cheap, so let's jump into the system to understand more about FluidPass.
We are on the FluidPass app. You can see the interface. Let me do a quick refresh. Alright. So the page is refreshed now. So let me click on the call to action button, and here you can see all the listed events which are currently they are added as a dummy event. So let me click on one of the event. Yeah. So when we click, we are redirected to a page for register. So now it says connect your wallet. So now let's click on connect wallet and see what happens. Alright, so here we can see that MetaMask pop-up is available. It says connect your MetaMask with the account. So I will click on next. Yeah, I will authenticate this thing, and boom, form is visible to us. So now we'll fill the form. Currently we have not integrated the form accurately, but yeah, there's a sneak peek. So once you connected the wallet, you will see the form and the button which is the wallet connected, right? So it shows another button called book your pass. So let me click on book your pass as well. So when I click on book your pass, so now the action happens. So it is the same action that happens after filling the form. So you will be given this MetaMask window to confirm the transaction. So let me click on confirm, and now you can see this registration successful, money streaming. Amazing. And now the button has changed. It says enter into event. So let me click on enter into event, and boom! Now you can see this event is live. You can see the live event is streaming, and you can see all the list of details that are available, all the list of events that are available. Cool. So let me click on live money stream. So let's see how it works. Before that, let me show you my address. Let me click on MetaMask, and you see my address is with ending 51446. So let me go to this website, which is by the way, we are using fake tokens to authenticate or to do the transactions. So you can see all the transaction happening over this. So let me click on this thing. You can see this my address here 351466. So let me click on this thing, and yeah, you can see the transaction is live. This is the beauty of this blockchain network, because you see your money deducting in front of your eyes. So let's say you are attending an event. Okay, you are attending an event or concert or maybe an online workshop, and you attend that event and you see your money deducting. There's a live streaming of your money, right? And after 10 minutes, 20 minutes, you feel that okay, this event is not even worth it. So now you have the power to cancel that. So the power is in the user's hand. So this is the one of the best thing about Web3, that the leverage is on the user's hands. So yeah, by keeping that intention only, we have created this particular fluid pass. See, let me click on cancel streaming and see what happens. Sometimes MetaMask takes a long to open. So here we are. MetaMask is opening. And now let me click on confirm transaction, which is to cancel the transaction. All right, so now this is confirmed. So let me go to Superfluid console again, and let me do the search with the latest address, and we can see this transaction is stopped. So how we can see that? Let me click here, and you will see the money is not rendering. So this much amount, this much fake tokens, dummy tokens, I will say, are deducted from our account, and now we can see this thing. So in order to execute the transaction on FluidPass, you will need some demo tokens. So in this case, we are using DAI as a fake tokens or demo tokens. You can see this super FDAI tokens here. So how you can actually get the tokens is you have to connect your. This is a website. Let me refresh it. Basically, it's a faucet, so where we can get dummy tokens and all those things. So you just have to connect your wallet. Let me. My wallet is already connected actually. So it's a basically easy integration. You will be redirected to this window where you have to say connect your wallet, and then you have to your address will be available here, and then you have to click on click what's that? Click to get 100k die. Yeah, and I've already redeemed this thing, so that's why it is showing some error. So cool. So in this way, you can have this token and test our FluidPass tech, and let us know in the comments how you think about FluidPass.
Now you have watched the implementation of FluidPass, so I'm super excited to understand your thoughts and feedback about what do you think about FluidPass. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and all I can say in the last is we got your back to compensate your tickets on your favorite show, concert, or whatever it may be. Are you ready to take your hard-earned money as a compensation that belongs to your pocket? If yes, then please feel free to vote us.